Hello everyone, once again you are welcome back to my channel How to Get Paid. I make videos every single day on how to make money online by using your mobile phone or your computer and internet connection. If it's your first time to see my videos, remember to subscribe if you want to make money online with cryptocurrency, and you have to like this video if it is going to work for you. Okay, now in this very short video I am going to show you the Legit platform that I have been used for a long time and it is still paying correctly, and you don't need to deposit. All you need is to start claiming free Litecoin every single hour and make a withdrawal without any deposit. Okay, and you have to follow this video step by step. Don't skip any part of this video because every step is important. Now let's jump into today's video starting right now, and you will check the sign up link in this video's description box. As you can see, you have to tap on this link under this video's description box, and once you tap on it you have to wait patiently, and you have to verify that you are a human. This is the login page, but I am going to tap on sign up and I can show you how to sign up for new members. Now, if you are a new member to this platform, you have to enter your username here, enter your email, enter your password, repeat your password, and verify that you are not a robot, and click on this green button named sign up. Okay, and your sign up will be created, but you have to remember to verify your email. Okay, once you have been signed up, you need to tap on login. Let me tap on login, and my email is already here with my password. And if you want, you can secure your account with 2FA code, but it is not option, and I have to verify that I am not a robot. Wait patiently, and I have to tap on login. Login is successfully. I have logged to my account, and remember that if you are a new member, after creating your new account, you have to verify your email. You will see the icon to verify your email here. For me it is disappeared because I have verified mine, and after verifying your email you will see 10 bonus faucet here and you have to claim it. And you can see this website is called lightpeak.io, and you can claim free LTC every single hour, that is every 60 minutes. Okay, there are many system levels. For new beginners, you will be on stone level and you will be going to claim this amount of LTC every 60 minutes, and you can see I am on iron level where I claim this amount every single hour, and you may increase your level until to the master level where you may claim 0.2 every single hour. And don't worry, I will show you how you can increase your level if you want, and of course I will show you the withdrawal proof in this video. All you need is to stick around, don't skip any part of this video. Now, to start claiming this amount of Litecoin, depending on level that you are, you need to tap on this button named I am not a robot, and you have to tap on claim. Please wait, you can see I have gotten this amount of LTC and I have to come back after 60 minutes. Okay, now if you want to increase your level, you have to make a deposit by coming over to the 3 horizontal line, tap on it and tap on deposit, and you have to read these instructions carefully. Deposit Litecoins. You can send as many Litecoins as you would like to this address. The amount will be credited to your account after one network confirmation. We have no minimum deposit amount. We accept and credit or deposit to your account. Okay, you need to copy this address, and remember, this is your Litecoin deposit address. Please deposit Litecoin only, or you can scan this QR code if you cannot copy this address, and you can send many Litecoin as you would like. Okay, but remember to make a deposit. It is not optional, except if you want to make money fast. Okay, now after depositing, your Litecoins will appear here, or you can claim many Litecoins as you want for every hour, and you can increase your balance. And as you have increased your balance, or you have make a deposit, you need to come back over to this horizontal line and tap on this button named games. Tap on it, wait patiently, and you can play one of these games so that you can increase your level. Okay, and you can see I am on iron level and I am on 61% in order to get to bronze level. This is the third level, bronze level. Okay, as the more you play these games, the more level you get. Let me show you how to play games. I like to play this game named Dice. I have to tap on it, wait patiently, and you can see I can increase the number of Litecoins by tapping on this times 2, and if I win I will get this amount, and I have to tap on roll dice, and you can see I may win or lose. Okay, I have to play again, win or lose, play again, win or lose, play again, win or lose, and you can play this game. And you may play this game automatically by tapping on this button, and you have to auto dice, and you can play this game while doing other things, and you can see I may win or lose, but all I want is to increase my level. Okay, and I think you get me correctly. I may stop these automatic play games, and there are many games you may play for your choice. Okay, now also if you want to increase your income, you need to come over to this affiliate button, and you have to refer your friends. You can earn generous commission from us by referring users to lightpick.io, and they can pay you referral commission according to this table. Okay, and when you refer someone, you get 50% of faucet that he claims, and you get 0.4% of games that they get, and you get 5% of surveys that they completed. And I will show you how you can complete surveys on this site and you can earn more. Okay, and this is my referral commission earned. I have referred 155 persons, and I have made total earning of 0.32 Litecoin, and you need to claim your available balance if it is available. For me, I have 0.00052 and that's why I have to claim this amount in order to add it to my balance so that I can make a withdraw. Okay, and you can see I got this amount. Okay, and you need to copy this your referral link to invite more people. Okay, and those are my referrals. Okay, now in order to make surveys, you need to tap on this button named surveys. Okay, wait patiently, and you can see there is no surveys available right now, but I have to check back later. Remember to check every single day if there is available surveys so that you can complete them to make more money. Okay, now I don't need to make this video so long because you have to make your own research. You don't need to only focus on my opinions. Remember to make your own research because everything changes. Okay, and let me show you how you can make a withdraw from this site once you have been made the minimum withdraw threshold. Okay, you need to tap on this horizontal line and tap on withdraw. Okay, you have to wait a moment and you can read this instruction, but all I can tell you is that all users from bronze level and above will not have to pay the transaction fees, and the minimum withdrawal amount is this one, and you can read these instructions, and you need to enter Bitcoin address, enter amount, and the transaction fee is this one. Okay, and you can withdraw via many different wallets, but I may recommend you to use Faucet Pay or Trust Wallet. Let me open my Trust Wallet and I have to search for Litecoin etc. I have to tap on receive. I have to copy the wallet and go back to the earning site, and I have to enter my wallet address, and I have to enter amount, that is 0.005874, and I have to verify that I am not a robot, and I have to tap on this green button named withdraw. Okay, I have to wait. Your withdraw request is being processed, and you can see this is the recent withdrawals where I made the withdrawal of $3.34 on 25th April 2003, and this one on 20 March 2003, and this one on 28 December 2022, and this one on 24th November 2022. And you can see I have used this website for a long time and it is still paying. Okay, and you can see my recent withdrawals were completed, and this one that I made today, it is still pending. Okay, let me wait to see if this payment will be approved so that you can see the withdrawal proof and you can start using this website. Okay, but while we are waiting this payment to get my wallet, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because your subscription will make me know that I am making something you like and I don't need to give up. Okay, let's wait. After waiting a few minutes, you can see my payment has been completed, and you can see the transaction details. Okay, you can check these videos description box and sign up to this site and start claiming free Litecoins every single hours, and you can see this status is completed. Now let me see you soon in the next video, but remember to subscribe to my channel, also like this video. See you soon. Bye bye.